Pydantic AI's capability system centralizes agent behavior into composable, reusable units, and BuiltinOrLocalTool is the base class that makes provider adaptive tools possible, automatically selecting built-in support when available or falling back to a local implementation controlled by the built-in and local flags. The code instantiates this pattern by pairing CodeExecutionTool with a local executor, wiring both sides of the fallback decision into a single capability object. The visible initialization builds that capability directly, importing CodeExecutionTool from Pydantic AI, Builtin tools, constructing BuiltinOrLocalTool with Builtin equals CodeExecutionTool and local equals my local executor, and assigning the result to cap. From Pydantic AI, Builtin tools import CodeExecutionTool. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import BuiltinOrLocalTool. Cap equals Builtin, or local tool Builtin equals CodeExecutionTool. Local equals my local executor. This sets up a provider adaptive tool pairing CodeExecutionTool as the built-in with my local executor as the local fallback. BuiltinOrLocalTool auto-detects which side to use based on the model provider. If the model natively supports code execution, the built-in runs, otherwise the local executor handles it. This keeps the same agent code working across providers without conditional logic. The trade-off is that built-in support gives you provider-native features and constraint enforcement that the local fallback can't guarantee. If a constraint requires built-in and the model doesn't support it, a user error is raised rather than silently falling back. This pattern is useful when you want provider-agnostic tooling, but still want the best path when it's available. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI, Builtin tools import CodeExecutionTool. Imports CodeExecutionTool from the Pydantic AI Builtin tools, module for use as a tool in an agent. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import BuiltinOrLocalTool. Imports BuiltinOrLocalTool from Pydantic AI, capabilities for provider adaptive tool support. Cap equals Builtin, or local tool Builtin equals CodeExecutionTool. Local equals my local executor. Instantiates a provider adaptive tool instance with a built-in code execution handler and a local executor fallback, binding it to cap. BuiltinOrLocalTool is the connective tissue. It takes CodeExecutionTool and my local executor, wires them into one capability object, and lets the provider decide which side runs. No conditional logic needed across providers. The trade-off is straightforward. Builtin gets you provider-native enforcement, but can raise user error if the model doesn't support it, so you're choosing provider-agnostic tooling with a best available path when it's there.
The executor falls back to local before your call ever rattles the code.